a very warm welcome, and this is me, Nitish Sharma, and we are in the heart of Aravali. And right now, I am in Courtyard Marriott, which is one of the nicest property or one of the luxurious property. So आज जो है ना हम इस property का review करने वाले हैं, and this is the time now we are going inside the property. But yes, now the room is ready, and guess what? The most amazing part is we have the most luxurious room of this property. Let me give you the glimpse of that. Let's go. Okay everyone, so this is the time where I am going to show you the glimpse of my room, and as I told you कि they have upgraded my room. So let me just showcase to you. Okay, let's go inside the room. And as I told you कि ये upgraded room, and this is one of the best room of this entire property. So this lobby is very spacious. ये lobby पहले बीच में आती है, उसके बाद we have a complete bathroom here. So this bathroom, we have the bathtub here. Look at that, a massive bathtub. The vanity area is really amazing. ये vanity area जो है ये बहुत ज़्यादा amazing है कि I can see there is a stool. You can sit around, you can do some makeup and enjoy and click the selfie. Of course, there are multiple things. And we have the hand wash area, and it's a massive. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा massive है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा unique है. And let me tell you, apart from this particular area, we have two different compartments here. One is the commode section, and the other one is the bathroom section where you can take the shower. तो ये जो दोनों areas हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे और unique हैं. Alright, so अब बारी है यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा exciting चीज़ की, और that exciting thing is the room tour. And look at that, it's a complete king size bed. We have a sitting area over here, यहाँ पर आप बैठ सकते हो. Apart from this, we have a lounge chair and the lamp behind me, because ये जो look है ना luxury और सबसे ज़्यादा यूनिक है, एंड काफ़ी एक अच्छे टॉप सेगमेंट के होटल्स में, 5 स्टार होटल्स में ही आपको मिलेगा. वी ऑल्सो हैव अनदर लाउंज एरिया विच इज़ दिस वन. ये लाउंज एरिया काफ़ी यूनिक है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर फ्रेंड्स आर देयर, योर वाइफ इज़ देयर, गेट योर ड्रिंक, सिट हियर, एंजॉय द नाइट. वी ऑल्सो हैव द office desk or working table, which is this one, and you can charge your laptop and keep it here, connect your Wi-Fi with the hotel Wi-Fi and enjoy the amenities. So now is the time where I am going to showcase you the balcony. The balcony is really massive. It's like 1 BHK of Mumbai, let me tell you. But yes, look at the view. It's completely amazing, mesmerizing, because यहाँ पर you can see the golf cart. It's going down there. एक golf cart भी है यहाँ पर, और ये चलती रहती है. You can call any time on front desk and ask for the golf cart. And look at the view. Yes, this is the one I'm talking about. And we have a complete sunset view over here in this property. And आपको जब ये room मिलता है तो अलग advantage भी मिलती है. And high tea is the most amazing part of this property. Because यहाँ की high tea एक normal high tea की तरह नहीं होती है. यहाँ पर सब कुछ है. For the kids, for the adults, for the young ones, हर किसी के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है. So if you are fond of chole bhature, chole kulche, and some pav bhaji and everything is there. So इनकी high tea is not just a high tea, and high tea की तरफ अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. और What is the best part? The best part is summer. And in the summer, you can bring your pet here. It's a pet-friendly resort. And यहाँ पर आप अपने pets को, बच्चों को, सबको ला सकते हैं. And let me tell you कि swimming pool के अलावा we have multiple options here. Multiple options. If I talk about, we have the play zone, we have the game arena, we have the garden area. We have multiple things over here जिससे आप और आपके बच्चे एंड पेट्स जो हैं वो एंटरटेन हो सकते हैं. What if I tell you that this is the right spot to enjoy your evening? Because we have a very special bar near to the poolside area. Now is the time where you are enjoying your drinks alongside with pool. Because अब आप और बच्चे दोनों एक साथ मस्ती कर सकते हैं. So let's have a look. This garden area, this trail is really amazing because यहाँ पर any kind of physical activity is possible. And when it comes to yoga, meditation, running, walking, everything is possible. So now I am going to take you everyone on this trail. So आप आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं कि यहाँ का जो experience है वो कैसा है. So So now it's your time to give the rating about this property because I have given you the glimpse of entire property. I have showcased you the game rooms. I have showcased you the swimming pool area, the Aravali Hills, the entire property look. So अब आपको जाना है मेरे comment box में and give that rating to this property. And this is me, your own and known Nitish Sharma. So see you. Bye bye. Share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.